In 5 minutes, let me show you how to fund a USDT TRC20 wallet, whether on Trust Wallet or any other wallet or exchange. After this video, you'll be able to send USDT TRC20 to any address that you will. So let's go there. You can see that I have some USDT TRC20 on my Trust Wallet. So I'll be sending this money to another wallet. So the first thing you have to do is to go and copy the wallet where you are sending to. So in this case, I'll be sending it to Binance. So I'll go to my Binance account and copy USDT TRC20 wallet. In case it is your account that you want to fund on Binance, come here and click on deposit. But if you want to send the money to someone, go and copy the person's address, request for the person's USDT TRC20 address. So in this case, I want to fund my USDT TRC20 address on Binance. So I'll click on deposit, and then I will go ahead and select USDT. Then once you select USDT, you go down, scroll down and select TRC20, right? Tron network. You select Tron network and you copy the address. Remember, the address you're going to use here will be TRC20. Make sure you use TRC20 so that your asset will not be lost. You can see this is TRC20 and this is the address. This address is different from ERC20 address, and it is different from BEP20 address. That is why you must make sure you are using the same for both sending and receiver. So I will copy this address and then go back to the platform where I want to send the money from. Remember, I am sending the money to Binance. So if you're sending the money to someone, request for this the person's deposit address. Alright, so I will come to Trust Wallet where I want to send the money from. So on Trust Wallet, all you have to do, or any other wallet, is to send. You click on send, or you just go ahead and click on USDT TRC20. If you do not have USDT TRC20 on your Trust Wallet, I made a video previously on how to add it manually with the contract address. Look up now by the right and watch the video. So to send it to your Trust Wallet, just click on send and you'll be able to choose the token you want to send. In this case, I want to send TRC20, which is this. Then you click on data, then paste the address you copied. That is the address you want to send this USDT TRC20 to. Paste it here, just click on paste. Once you do that, to be pasted, then go ahead and choose the amount of USDT TRC20 that you want to send. In my own case, I want to send everything. But there is a problem. If you do not have TRX on your wallet, if you are using Trust Wallet to do this, you won't be able to send USDT TRC20 to any wallet until you deposit TRX on this platform. In case you do not know how to fund your TRX wallet on Trust Wallet, so you'll be able to make this transaction, then watch the video. I will leave the link in the description down below so that you learn how to add any token on your Trust Wallet and fund it. So because I have enough TRX on my wallet that is going to be used as transaction fee, I'm going to go ahead and send USDT TRC20 to that address I copied. So click on this and paste the address I copied from Binance, and I'll select Marima because I want to send everything. Then click on continue. So if you have enough TRX, you will see continue. You can now see that this transaction will cost me 13.5 TRX, which is $1.12. So go ahead and click on confirm. Then authentication if needed. And that's all. You can see this money is now out. If you click on USDT TRC20, you will see the arrow pointing upwards, indicating that this money has been sent out. If you got value watching this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for all crypto tutorials and how to make money online. In case you want to learn more about crypto, click on the video shown on the screen now and I will see you over there.